Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Command. Today I wanted to cover the crypto markets broadly because the price action in Bitcoin has been absolutely phenomenal. Bitcoin remains on a tear. Bitcoin is currently above $6,800, so we just keep hitting all-time highs. The market cap is now above 113 billion. And impressively, the total market cap for the crypto markets is now above 187 billion. That is also an all-time high, with the Bitcoin dominance continuing to grow at 60.5%. So this growth in Bitcoin is coming at the cost of all the altcoins. So this has happened routinely as we've seen Bitcoin go up. We see red across the board as you scroll through everything else on CoinMarketCap. A lot of the people are selling off the altcoins as they're chasing Bitcoin as it continues to go up. One of the things that's been particularly interesting about today is that not only are we seeing Bitcoin going up tremendously, 6% for Bitcoin is a really good day, we're also seeing a huge increase for Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin Cash is now above 21%. And most importantly, Bitcoin Cash is above $500 for the first time since the initial sell-off from Bitcoin Cash after it was released after the hard fork. So if we look at the Bitcoin Cash charts here on TradingView, I was just taking a look at these are the 4-hour candles for Bitcoin Cash, and you can see, let's scroll out a little bit. So initially, after the hard fork, there was the big rise in Bitcoin Cash, and then it started to just progressively sell off, and we've kind of seen that over time. But there was this period of resistance that happened, and that was really in early October, late September. Bitcoin Cash was hitting these levels. It continued to dip, and as it has started to come back up, again, we saw a little bit of resistance here, and this is right around the $470 mark. Since then, in the past couple of days, Bitcoin Cash has blown through that level, and now we're seeing these really large green candles as Bitcoin Cash has blown through that level. I do not know what the catalyst is for this to reach through this level, but I think this may just be a bit of a technical level in breaking through this point of resistance. So as a result, we're seeing Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin dominating the markets at the same time, which is just really exciting to see something being able to keep up with Bitcoin as it continues to plow its way higher and higher. As we look through other coins in the market, one of the most interesting things that happened today is that EOS is up 43% in a single day. So what's been driving EOS? Again, there's not a single event that's necessarily been driving this, but one of the interesting things that has happened is that Brock Pierce was interviewed with Jason Calacanis. He's an angel investor in San Francisco. He's done a number of really successful angel investments. He's invested most notably in things like Uber. And so he has a podcast where he interviews people in the tech community, and of late he's been particularly interested in crypto, as we all are. And so in this interview, he interviewed Brock Pierce, and he also interviewed Vinny Lingham from Civic, two very interesting projects. But I think one of the things that has happened with EOS are these comments that Brock made, that saying that when he was talking about the EOS crowd sale, that it's now around 700 million, but this being the key part of his quote, they will raise several billion for EOS. So this Medium post kind of highlighted, I'm not going to read the whole post, but these 2 points really highlight it. There will be around 1,000 applications that launch simultaneously when EOS goes live. And Brock is calling this a product launch on the scale of Windows. And this could even be bigger. So I think this highlights the potential of EOS, and that's just another catalyst that's reminding people of the excitement of this. So a lot of interesting things happening in the market today, but there are a lot of fresh highs here. I'm not going to try to give any financial advice, but please don't try to chase candles. That can be a very difficult thing to do. The altcoins, will they ever recover, remains to be unknown, but it does seem like at these prices there are a lot of things that could potentially be good opportunities to dip in. So that's what I'm going to be watching over the next couple of days. Let me know what you think. Are there any other interesting things that you've been seeing in the markets that you'd like to discuss? Leave it in the comments below. In the meantime, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching Crypto Command.